Hey, good morning everybody. I just wanted to give a quick update on the Victron ESS system I installed already 2 years ago almost. I'm gonna do this in English because we have a couple of viewers from abroad. So recently we added a second junction box in the garage for the non-essential loads, and that's mainly because of that guy over there. It's our jacuzzi. If the power goes down, we don't want the jacuzzi to drain the battery in a couple of hours. So that's what we've been doing the last couple of days. Don't mind the mess. Yeah, so here we have the additional junction box with a separate breaker switch for the jacuzzi. Also one for future use in case I get some equipment that needs a three-phase connection. And I'm also gonna reroute the lighting and the power here in the workshop to this junction box. This is my brother's bike. We've put it here to deal with a fuel issue. The carburetor was leaking and stuff, so we're gonna get that up and running. And there behind the old iron head is my newest addition. I got this from my dad. It's a Honda CB750 KZ from 1979, if I don't... no, 78. It also has a fuel issue, so we're gonna be dealing with that soon as well. Okay, let's go over to the Victrons and see what we changed there. Yeah, so here we have the Victron setup, the ESS, and you can see we've added another set of wires from the AC out to the non-critical load connection of the Multiplusses, and it's going to a separate breaker switch here, so that we can control everything from this junction box here. You know, shut it down if necessary. So yeah, now when the grid goes down, we especially when it happens at night or something and the jacuzzi is on, we won't wake up with an empty battery and no power. So good fun. Yeah. So what happens as soon as the feed in on the AC in drops? So basically, when the grid goes down, then the Multiplusses immediately shut down the power to the AC in, so that we don't feed back to the grid while it's down. You know, you might electrocute some engineer that's working on it. But simultaneously it also shuts down the AC out too, so the non-essential loads connection, so that we only have power on the main breaker box, you know, for the house, for the lighting and the freezers, at least as long as the batteries are not empty and the sun goes down. So I can simulate it by shutting off the AC in, and you will immediately hear the relays click over in the Multiplusses. That's it. So as you see, the lights are still on, but the jacuzzi won't be working now because the power is down on the AC out too. So that's exactly what we wanted to accomplish. One thing to keep in mind is that it will take a few minutes. Now you hear the Multiplusses detecting that the grid is back, but it will take a couple of minutes before AC out 2 is powered on again. So we now have everything working as intended. So that's awesome. Cheers!